I'll be downloading the new Microsoft Math Solver app, which is free on iOS or Android. So I'm going to launch the app here, and this lets me take a picture of any equation on a piece of paper here. And I'm going to take a picture. It runs OCR and scans it in, and look at that, it solves it immediately. But it gives me a couple choices, and I'm going to choose steps for completing the square, and then I'm going to click Get Step-by-Step Solution right here. And look at that, it has all the steps and it helps walk me through. So it explains each step. I hit the down arrow at the bottom and it goes to the next step. So it lets me go step by step through the whole solution, which is really powerful. Now, if I scroll down, I also get a graph. And look at this, I make it a little bit bigger and I can explore the graph here. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. I can have the different aspects down here that I can explore, turn some on, turn some off. I can also, scrolling back here, I can get videos. So here are some videos to help me that are similar to that equation, like exploring quadratic equations. I scroll down because this is powered by Bing. I have related concepts and it pulls those in. It even pulls in worksheets or similar problems on the web. So it's really allowing independent math exploration. I can even click share and send a link to someone that will send a web link of this whole solver problem. So I'm going to go all the way back and hit the back button here. Now I'm going to pull in something different. Let's say I've gotten a written equation. So I wrote this equation out. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a picture. And we have ink recognition. And it takes that ink, turns it into a math equation. Same thing, I can solve that full math equation and do all those same things just from that picture that I took. So that is really powerful. And then lastly, we also have the ability to draw. So on the top here, that middle button, draw. So I'm going to type 5x plus 3 equals 0. And there it automatically OCRs. I click the little arrow button to solve it. And there we go. It solves for x, gives me a graph. I can click on the type. So on the top, I click on type. I can type in an equation like this. Again, it's typed in. I click the little arrow at the lower right. Same thing. So incredibly powerful tools that are free and built in to this Math Solver app.